Good afternoon. Many families across the state this Thanksgiving may be a tough one for them. They've either lost a loved one to COVID-19 and others are spending the holiday in a hospital bed battling the virus.
The uncertainty, being in ICU, you're thinking, am I ever going to make it out of here?
Well, today, Kristen Burns spoke to one such family who, despite everything, says they have a lot to be grateful for this Thanksgiving.
Kurt Mandli of Caledonia has been in the hospital with COVID pneumonia for almost 10 days. He has a wife and he has 2 daughters. And on Thanksgiving, he'd much rather be with them.
How are you feeling today?
Feeling pretty good.
57-year-old Kurt Mandli spoke with us over an iPad from a freighter hospital bed. He's on oxygen fighting COVID pneumonia. This Thanksgiving, he has a different outlook on life.
I'm thankful that I'm alive. All the people that have been supporting me.
Kurt says earlier this month he was exposed to COVID at work and soon after started having issues with his breathing. He also lost his appetite. He's been in the hospital ever since, at one point even in intensive care.
The uncertainty, being in ICU, you're thinking, am I ever going to make it out of here?
The week of Thanksgiving COVID-19 data from the Wisconsin Department of Health shows about 87% of hospital beds and almost 89% of intensive care beds in Wisconsin are in use. Kurt hopes his stay will come to an end soon.
Talking with the doctor today, my levels are getting down to a good point, but I don't want to leave the hospital until I can go home and my wife doesn't have to worry about where I am in the house.
Today, there's no family gathering over a big Thanksgiving feast. Instead, Kurt will do a video chat with family and eat whatever meal the hospital serves. Not ideal in any way, but Kurt is still grateful.
Appreciate every minute you're on Earth because you never know when this thing can get you and change your life.
And Kurt tells me his family is his inspiration and he will keep fighting so he can get home to them. Kristen Byrne, TMJ4 News.